Hi, Good Homes. I'm Preeti Tikyani from Studio 8. Welcome to the Grey Home, and I'm going to be your home tour guide for the day. So, when we got on board for this project, the clients were very clear that they wanted a grey home, and that's the only requirement that they had from their end. And that's literally what we went by. We added a lot of color, a lot of play of material, but we did maintain the brief of wanting a grey home. I think the fact that we've added different kinds of form into the size of the apartment that we have been able to design, adding arches, adding different kinds of materials in different forms is what we're the most proud of. The quirkiest and the most fun feature would be the bar behind the mirror paneling in the dining area. Yes, so definitely. So it's when you're on a daily basis, you'll feel like that's a mirror paneling on the wall to make the space look bigger since the dining area is in the center of the house. But actually, when we open the sliding panels, it's an entire full-fledged bar with storage and all the accommodation needed taken care of. The most innovative material would probably be the metal glass and the hammered finish that we've used on the bar area in the dado. To maximize the bathrooms given the size in a typical Bombay house, how it usually is. And also, we've made a lot of civil changes in this apartment. The kitchen, for some reason, was much bigger than the bedroom, so we worked around a lot of that. Both the bathrooms were connected in the passageway, which made it very difficult for the user to constantly keep going out. So those are changes that we brought in, and initially that required a lot of planning, and it had to be done correct functionally as well as aesthetically. I think one of the biggest beliefs that I have as a designer is that whenever a client is getting a designer on board, it's very important for them to look at design eye to eye, because they're making your space. It is something that's you're going to live with all your life. You need to be at the same wavelength to understand and to be able to deliver the project that they've dreamt of. One of them would definitely be the main door. That is a striking blue color. We love the fact that in the living room we've used just a magnetic strip light, and there is no other direct form of lighting that's been used. Within that, there are different kinds of lights incorporated. Then the third would be the bar that we have. Again, that's one of my favorite spots in this house. The son's bedroom has a massive paneling on the entire side of the wall. The doors, the wardrobe doors are entirely concealed, and I think that gives it a very seamless finish. And the fourth would be the furniture in the living room. I absolutely love it. So one of the most interesting facts of this house is that literally a week before the handover, and the housewarming party was on the day of the handover, the door was off-white. I was just not able to wrap my head around it, but we were so close to handover that I didn't voice my opinion to the client. And one day we just met on site, and I think they figured from my body language or from my attitude that I'm not liking it. In an hour, we took a decision that, let's just take this jump and make it a colored door. And that's when we decided to change the PU finish from off-white to blue. It was a struggle, but I think it was absolutely worth it. One of the lines that I really believe in and I strive to work towards is that we love designing spaces that people call their own. So any space that you call your own is a home for us.